Is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Good morning. It's morning here at least. We've got some decent weather here. It's 43 degrees, but that's pretty good compared to what we've had these past few weeks. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna rip the car around. We're gonna hit some back roads today, so let's get into it. Look how dirty this thing is, guys. That's how long I haven't drove this thing. It's been like 3 weeks, but we're about to get it out. So tried to get my buddy to come out with me today, but he's got this thing in storage mode for the winter, unfortunately. Not even gonna lie, I like the white more, kind of. What do you guys like more, the white or the gray? The white is definitely clean, man. Definitely clean. Maybe that'll be the next color. Who knows, but I love it. That white just hits, man. It's fire. But we're gonna go rip. Let's get into it. Anyways, what is up, you guys? How's everybody doing today? It's actually not a bad morning. It's well, I guess now it's 33 degrees. Pretty cold, but honestly it doesn't feel too bad compared to what we've had the past few weeks here. It feels weird making a video during the day, but here we are. I like driving during the day, man. When the weather's nice, at least, you know. It's cold today, but at least it's not windy. The past few days it's been pretty windy, and it's been warm, but man, that wind just kills you. It's cold. I don't know what they're doing there. What is that? Damn. A little drift car, looks like. Hell yeah. A lot of you guys have been commenting what kind of camera I use for these POVs. I use a GoPro Hero 13 with a, it's like a strap head mount. You can get it on Amazon. It's like, I think it was like 20 bucks. It's like 15 to 20 bucks on Amazon. Not bad at all, really. And yeah, you can make you some POV videos like this. But I like the GoPro, it's a good POV, but man, the batteries, they die so fast in these. I've been on the road for 10 minutes, and the GoPro is already at, I think it said like 80-something% already. Like, I've been driving for 10 minutes and haven't recorded much. And it's already at 80-something%. But yeah, they're great cameras. It's just the batteries, man. You gotta have a spare one on you all the time. But what do you do? You know, I guess it's just part of it. don't know these roads too well, but you ever just say F the GPS and just go cruise? I used to do that in any car I had. Just say F the GPS and go drive. I don't know why. I just like doing it. back there. Not even gonna lie, I've never been down this road before. Holy sh**. Big downhill. we made it to the gas. Oh, they do have 93. Did not think they were gonna have 93, honestly. And we're in the middle of nowhere. So, let's get some gas. Tell you what I'm not doing. Not filling this thing up because never been here before. I don't know how good their gas is, so. But yeah, this thing's filthy, man. Look at this. Look at that. This thing is roached. Yeah, our lip's hanging on for dear life. Hanging on for dear life. So is our diffuser. Oh shit, we did fill it up. Oops. Oh well. Guess we'll find out if it's good gas or not. Let's get back to it. Just made it back to the house and it's literally snowing. You can see it. It's literally snowing. Cannot make it up. This is some Indiana bullshit right here, man. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Anyways, I got a lot of things to do to this car before the spring, summertime. We've got to do an oil change. We've got to change the plugs, spark plugs over to the flex fuel plugs so we can run E85 and it run 100%. That's going to be the goal. I'm ready to see what kind of power and what this car does on the flex fuel plugs and the full E85. I think it'll run a lot better than the E85 on these plugs I have in now. They're one step colder, but they just don't, I don't know, it doesn't run as good as it should on the E85. But we're going to get those flex fuel plugs put in. I'm going to do the coil packs too at the same time. And then I'm going to fix that diffuser too. This diffuser, it is clearly on its last leg. We're gonna fix that. Don't slam me too much in the comments. I'm gonna get that fixed. But yeah, we got some things to do to this car before springtime, before spring and summertime. This year, we'll definitely be outside. Definitely gonna be a lot of content to come. There's a lot of car people around here, believe it or not. There's a lot of car people, and we get out pretty much every Saturday that the weather's nice. We're outside and we're hitting the highway. So, but a lot more videos planned to come soon. So stay tuned for that. Stick around. Definitely drop some comments. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll get to it. I appreciate you guys watching as always. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.